Let's play a quiz game in which you will have to guess 10 countries with the help of 3 hints that we will give you, and we'll show you one image about that country. You'll have to guess the country within 7 seconds. So without any further ado, let's go. Question number 1. Here is the image of the first country. First hint is that this country is famous for sushi, and it has also hosted the 2020 Olympics. It is also popular for its bullet trains. So you have 7 seconds to guess the country. The correct answer is Japan. Question number 2. So if you are into the sports, you must have guessed the country just by an image. Anyways, the first hint is Amazon rainforest. And this country is also famous for its carnival celebrations, and it is one of the largest coffee producers of the world. Correct answer is a South American country, Brazil. Question number 3. Here is the landmark image. The first hint is Cleopatra, River Nile, and Red Sea. Have you guessed the country? It's Egypt. Question number 4. Here is the image of the flag of the country. The first hint is Babylonian Empire, the Gulf War. The last hint for you is Middle Eastern oil. And it is of course a Middle Eastern country, and the correct answer is Iraq. Question number 5. Here is the image of a famous landmark of that country. This country is famous for its fashion and perfumes, and the bread which is on the name of the country, and the cheese, and the brands like Christian Dior. So have you guessed this country? It is a European country, and it's France. The next question, the famous landmark image of the country. It is one of the largest country in the world area wise. The second hint is nesting dolls, and the third hint is, which is the image, that is a red square. You must have guessed the country. It is right now in the news, and the country is Russia. Question number 7. Here is the famous landmark of the country. It is the second most populous country in the world. It is famous for its spicy foods, and one of the famous landmark is Taj Mahal. The correct answer is India. Question number 8. Here is the image of a landmark of that country. The first hint is Himalayan mountains, Mohenjo-daro, and Indus Valley. Can you guess this country? Yes, it is Pakistan. Question number 9. Here is an image of the famous landmark. I am sure that most of you have guessed it just by an image. Anyways, the second hint is Burj Khalifa, luxury shopping, and desert landscapes. It's a Middle Eastern country, United Arab Emirates. So last question, the image of the flag of that country. It is known for its wildlife. One of the famous landmarks in this country is Mount Kilimanjaro, and it has 2 official languages that are shown here, and you need to guess the country with these hints, and it is an African country, Kenya. Here is a quick feedback for you if based on the number of answers that you've given. For all those who were able to answer all the questions correctly, they are genius. 8 to 9 answers is very good. 6 to 7 is also good, and less than 5 is okay. Thank you for staying till the end, and do subscribe for more.